Good morning, everybody. It's a busy Monday morning for me, and I've got lots to do. I'm going to run some errands first thing, but before I leave the house, I'm going to take out what I'm going to cook today. One being a pecan turtle cluster pie, only because I had an Oreo pie crust in the pantry. And I told Frankie I'd fry him some flounder. He's been wanting flounder ever since we went camping the other day, so I'm going to take those out, and then I'm going to hit the road. Okay, I'm in town running a few errands this morning, and the first thing I'm going to do is run in Trade Mart and get me a few bales of straw so I can keep working on my flower beds. After I got my straw, I stopped by Tractor Supply just to see if any of their fall items were in yet. As you can see, they had just a few of their summer items marked on clearance, and then they just had Halloween items, which I don't buy a lot of Halloween. I wait till full-fledged fall comes out. I'll check back in a week or so. By then, it was time to swing by and get my Walmart order. Thank you very much, Mr. Walmart helper. And then I stopped by the Dollar Tree to see what their fall situation was, and it was pretty much the same as Tractor Supply. They were trying to get rid of the last of their summer things, had very few fall picks on the shelves. As a matter of fact, most of their shelves were bare. Like I said, we'll give them another week or so. Okay, and last stop was Fraser's Appliance to look for a new dryer. Hey. Back home now, and I'm going to get our meal prepped for the day.